This episode has been brought to you by Kenmore. Kenmore, trusted American appliances.
Hey everybody, this is Mark from the Geek Church, and today I'm reviewing something from Kenmore. And since I'm reviewing something from Kenmore, I didn't want to be Kenless.
I'm just Ken.
That's right, and we'll just be back right after this. Okay, Ken, so we've got an unboxing to do of this product. And what is this called here? I see on the back it says the 5-piece Nonstick Multifunction Cookware Set. Does that mean we get to cook? And we will. We'll be cooking with Ken in a bit. But first, we gotta unbox this thing. How do you feel about this, Ken? You good? Okay. Okay, Ken, let's open up this thing. It's like opening up the playset of the, what was that thing that you lived in again?
The Mojo Dojo Concert House.
No, that's never gonna get that right. Okay, let's check it out. Whoa. Okay, that's gonna take up the shot, so we'll just put a cut there. Okay, as you can see, this box is taking up the entirety of our camera here, and we need to see Ken, okay? We just need to see him. He's a very special guest. By the way, using Ken is under parody law, so please don't sue us, company that rhymes with Patel. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Ken, smile if you will. Alright. Cardboard. Oh, this is like a Barbie toy. Okay, let's start with this thing. It's all neatly wrapped. What do you think this is, Ken?
Probably the lid for it.
Not clearly. Yeah, it's nice shiny. Good material there. Glass, you think?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put that to the side for now. Okay, let's see what's underneath that. Whoa! Oh gosh, this is pretty much it. Ken, you want to lift this up here? Let's see what we got. Oh, man. Okay, we want to get this in the shot here. Let's turn that toward the camera. If we can. Wow. Okay, this is something. Let's move this box out of the way so we can get a good shot. Okay, so this is it here. Ken, hand me that lid. Does it fit on here perfectly? Not quite, but then again, we're not exactly going to be doing this. Now, I'm told this magnetically holds together. The issue is how? Well, okay. Magnets, Ken, see?
Ah.
Sticks together. Yeah, I know. Okay, so this, I believe, is the skillet portion. Does it come off? Oh, it does come off. Okay, so there's like these hooks here to hook it in there. Hopefully we're getting that on the camera. Well, mind if we go into close up on that. So, you get making pancakes. You like pancakes, Ken?
Yes.
All right, you eat pancakes every morning? You look like a guy that eats pancakes every morning. I don't know why. Anyway, so we got this and we can flip it here. And we'll take out this stuff and see what else is in here. Ken, we made a discovery between takes. I showed him that trick with a lid on there. Right. Okay, that fits on there. So you are going to have yourself something nice when you, I don't know, grill something with it. We're going to have to do something with it. We will, okay? Trust us. We're going to do cooking with Ken. I'm going to keep that promise. Okay, Ken, I sure hope you like bubble wrap because this came with a lot in it. Let's take this out here. Aha! Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a beekeeper's mask, and it's also something that you can use for deep frying. So let's say if you had some, say, pot stickers. You like pot stickers, don't you, Ken? Oh yeah. Well, if I fill this thing with some deep oil here, gonna fry those up. Maybe we'll show a demonstration of that, but
like French fries.
yeah, there you go. Yeah, I kind of wish we had something like that right now. Yeah, that does sound delicious. We'll make some something else a little later. Okay, so I believe this is a 5-part thing or something, so that leaves this last part here with Ken. Do you know what this is? Is it licorice? Don't eat it.
No, it's more like rubber licorice.
Yeah, I don't.
Jump rope?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out what that is. In the meantime, let's look at this thing. This, I believe, you can put it in here. In case you've got something like, I don't know, a chicken or something like that, you can steam. Hand me the lid there, Ken. And let's smack that on there. There you go. So we can cook this there. Set this over a burner. I guess we're gonna see what recipes we can cook up. But man, Ken, that's got me really confused as far as what that is. Hang on a second, Ken. Hand me the pan. You don't suppose this is this, do you? It's the only thing that makes sense. Is this thing removable? Oh, it is. Okay, so in case you want to have to replace it, there it is. Okay, we'll keep that in mind next time we're cooking. Okay, so Jaden, it looks like we've got the opening of this. The rest is going to be cooking here. So we'll do this differently because I've never done one where I'm actually cooking before. Okay, so we're welcome to Ken's kitchen. Say hello, Ken.
Hello.
All right, you do a lot of cooking, Ken?
I'm more of a horses guy.
All right, not a patriarchy guy?
No, I'm done with that.
Oh yeah, I went there. All right, any Ken can cook. So let's check out what we've got here. Looks like we've got some chicken here that we cut up into some smaller pieces. And here's what we're gonna do. We've got the cooking set right over here. And we've got the skillet. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this on here. Now this thing we're not gonna use, but I am gonna use this to hold the cooked chicken. Or at least Ken is gonna use that. Sorry about that, Ken. I just kind of, yeah, I should really make this Ken's kitchen now. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ken, there's some things I want you to do here first. Okay, Ken, I think the first thing you're gonna do is kind of grease the pan there. So let's spray that with some canola oil first. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good. And let's add some of that vegetable oil over there too. That blue can. All right, just good to get some nice coating there. All right, I just remembered, Ken, you're gonna need a spatula. I'm gonna go over to our spatula drawer. And get your... Okay, Ken, we've got your spatula here. So here's what I want you to do. Turn up the burner there to high. Okay, and here's what you want to do. Grab a handful of that chicken over there, put it in there. Just a handful. I don't think we can cook all that at once. So we cut up about 3 pounds of this, so yeah. You can grab it with your whole hand and just shove it in there if you want to. Yeah, you got clean hands. Ken did wash his hands because he is a very thorough chef. All right, let's put a little more on there. Yeah. All right, one more handful. I think we got it. Okay. All right, that's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna just let that sizzle for a little bit. We'll be back. Okay, Ken, that's looking really good. All right. Yeah. All right. Ken, what are some of your favorite foods?
Let me see. Pizza is pretty good.
Oh, heck yeah. All right. Oh, it looks awesome. Okay, Ken, here's what I'd like you to do. Can you add some of these spices here to this thing? Just a little bit. Lemon pepper. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Oop, not too much. No, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay. Now go ahead and kind of mix that in. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's eating that lemon pepper. All right, might have added a bit too much. A few pinches is probably all you need. For example, like this Lawry's. Shake that 3 times over there. No, I meant shake that 3 times over there. There you go. That looks good. Yeah. Okay, that looks delish. You guys want to try this at home? You can. You're going to need to get yourself one of these Kenmore pans. I didn't intend that to rhyme, but I'm kind of glad that did. Ken, you a poet? Are you a poet, Ken?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Or is there poetry, Ken, that I don't know about? All right.
I don't really tell this to the humans out there, but Kenmore is never enough.
Okay, that's good. I like that. Okay. All right, how's it smell?
It smells pretty good.
Okay, good. You're doing it right. Any Ken can cook. All right, let's go over to the other side here. Take a good look at it. I'm liking the looks of that. Smells good too. Okay, just a few minutes longer, and we'll put another batch on. Okay, Ken, I think it's time to put the chicken from there into this basket. So if you can scrape it there, or if you want to do it one thing at a time, however it's easiest for you. Okay, Ken, I think we should try some. Might be hot, so careful. All right, what do you think? Good?
Mmm.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Ken, what we're going to do is repeat the process again. Spray the pan down and then put the last of the chicken on, and we'll do another batch. Okay, Ken, it looks like you got that second batch there. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
All right, let's look at it, man. Okay, that's some good cooked chicken there. So the next step is we're going to cook the noodles here. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to get the vegetable. Hang on, that wasn't the packet I wanted to grab. Hang on. The vegetables! So Ken, I had this great idea. You see this pan here? What we're going to do is we're going to put a little water on the bottom. We're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to use these things here on the bottom of this. And then the veggies are going to go on top of this. And then we'll bring it to a boil. And then that'll be a good something to serve beside this. What do you think? Sounds good? So Ken, I was kind of hoping the audience would be able to see that we put those cool ramen things on the bottom there and the veggies on top. Now we're going to bring the whole thing to a boil. Jen, if you will, please turn it to high. And we're going to wait a few minutes and see what boils here. Okay, good. So now that this thing is going to be brought to a boil, what's going to happen is the water down there is going to cook the ramen noodles, which you can barely see. And then that is going to turn to steam, which will steam cook these vegetables. And then we got some sauce packets over here. I can't figure out what to do with those yet. I'm going to have to figure something out with those. Okay, so while it's going to start to bring to boil here, I've got this sauce packets, and they're pretty much frozen solid thanks to the frozen vegetables I got. Also some soy sauce packets that I got from, let's see. Oh yeah, I think I got some from those pot stickers that we had last week. So I think we're just going to pour them on, and we're going to let it melt in here. All right, check out all that steam flow here. It's like Hollywood fog. Oh yeah, and it's affecting my vegetables. Those are the frozen packets that we put in there. Mixed with some soy sauce. This is going to make some good flavor. We'll add some of these sauces in the chicken here in a little bit. Yep, there's Ken's dog here wanting the food. Can't have it. Sorry. Well, Ken, I don't think I really thought this through here. I mean, I've got all this water at the bottom, and I don't want that water to be added to the dish. So I think what we need to do is, after this gets boiling and all the noodles are done, and we'll add the chicken. We need something big to hold them in. Ken, do we have a big pot somewhere or something?
Check it here.
Okay.
This could be good.
All right. Ken, you brought the pot. Okay, so I think we're in the last stages of this, and I'm gonna, since this is kind of an experimental dish, I'm gonna do a bit of an experiment. We've got our cooked chicken here. It's sufficiently non-cooled now, but we'll just kind of pour it in here. And we'll use the straining dish kind of over by the sink, because that's kind of what we need to do at this point. I should have cleared the sink before I did this. Okay, this is the part where I may have cooked myself into a corner here, and if this blows up in my face, I will feel bad. Oh yeah, okay, so we got all this hot water in here. We gotta get rid of it somehow. So what I'm gonna do, and this might, let's hope we don't get injured here. Ah! Okay, or I need a bit of a, this is kind of hot here. Okay. So we'll take this over here. Careful. And then I'm going to pour this in here. And let's bring the pot over here, just so it's easier. And this isn't too hot. Okay, pour that in there. Do another round. See if I can take this out without burning myself. So far, so good. Dripping, that's okay. Good. Good, good. Okay. Pour that in there. Honestly, I think we're good. I could probably just straight up pour it from there to there. There we go. Okay. That is a lot in the pot. Alright, so I'm going to add these soup packets that I got from the ramen here. And then, the final step is, we're going to shake it up. By shake it up, I mean, like, I think I'm just literally going to shake it up here. So. Ooh, has a nice smell to it. All right, what do you think, Ken? You like that smell? Okay, is that steam getting in there? Okay.
Yeah, it seems getting in there.
Okay, good. Okay. Then I'll do a stir it up really quick. Okay, this pot's pretty deep, so it's kind of hard to get stuff from the top to the bottom, so to speak. Okay, so now I'm going to just pour this back into this.
Yep.
Oh, oh my gosh. Get a close-up of that, Ken. All right. All right, now that is going to sizzle for a little bit. And just to be safe, I'm going to try a little something here. You know the skillet thing we were using earlier? I wonder if I could just, this hitches back on here pretty easily. Yeah. Okay, and that locks shut. That is now, the heat is in there. I could even shake it up if I wanted to. This would be a good thing to make popcorn with. Now to think about it. All right. Okay. So I'm going to leave that there, solid locked, and then I'm going to eat that in a little bit. So that'll be that. Okay, that's it for our cooking lesson in Ken's kitchen. And if you want to get that Kenmore cookware, it costs about $94.99. You can get that on Walmart, Amazon, just about anywhere. And that's all for now. So this is Mark and Ken signing off.